What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. And first up, we have the Cuisinart, a perfect chance for you to slice into this deal. From their triple rivet collection, we have their 7-inch Santoku knife, which is pretty much an all-purpose knife, and this is a great deal at only $12.95. Here we have a super practical colander from KitchenAid. This is great because it's stainless steel and it's expandable, one size. This is great for all of your kitchen needs. And look at the price, 44% off, bringing the price down to $21.35. And next up, I have a durable pizza pan, perfect for those homemade pizzas. This is from the brand Good Cook, a non-stick 16-inch pizza pan, and this is a great product with over 9,000 of these sold last month. This is 37% off, bringing the price down to $9.49. Now that I've found you the perfect pizza tray so you can make your home cooked pies nice and crispy, it's time to step it up a notch. Get ready because what's coming up next is going to blow your mind. Let's switch gears to something small but yet mighty because we have this ceramic non-stick egg pan here. This is free of PFAs and it's made by the company Green Pan, and it's 55% off, bringing the price down to only $10. For baking up sweet treats like a pro, we have the Rachel Ray Yummy-O non-stick bakeware cake pan. This is 9x13 and it's 48% off, bringing the price down to $10.30. Perfect to slice things up literally. We have the OXO Good Grips. This is their Chef's Mandolin Slicer 2.0 and it's black and stainless steel, 49% off, bringing the price down to $51.03. And if you're cooking for 1 to 2 people, maybe a little one as well, the Crock-Pot Mini would be perfect. This is 1.5 quarts, it's a slow cooker, and it's only $14.99. Let's not forget about our fur babies because we have a kitchen gadget for them as well. We have the Gravity Water Dispenser for both cats and dogs. This is a half a gallon. Make sure your pets stay hydrated. This is $8.86, 61% off. Here we have Tefal's Ultimate Hard Anodized Set. This is a non-stick frying pan, and we do get a 2-piece here. You get the 8-inch and the 10-inch, and these are oven broiler safe up to 400 degrees, 48% off, bringing the price down to $24.88. Next, we have a kitchen gadget you can use as a grill or a griddle. It's a combo machine made by Ninja. This is their Foodie Smart XL 7-in-1, and you can use this either opened or closed, 38% off, bringing the price down to $229. And this kitchen gadget is a limited time deal made by Chefin'. This is an indoor pizza oven, makes 12-inch pizzas in minutes, and it heats up to 800 degrees so you get that nice crispy crust. It does include a pizza stone and a peel, and it's only priced at $229. This is a limited time deal, 43% off. Let's give a little attention to this bakeware pan. It is a quarter sheet, and this is perfect for roasting vegetables, for our any bakeware needs. It's very versatile, so you can make meal preps with this in a breeze, and it's a very good pan, 40% off, bringing the price down to $11.99. Kitchen gadget that's both fun and functional. We have this corn peeler by OXO. This is a great brand, and this little tool makes corn peeling a breeze, 23% off, bringing the price down to $9.99. From Nostalgia, we have this great reviewed retro 14 capacity egg cooker, makes hard-boiled eggs cooking a breeze, can do scrambled eggs, omelets, either or. It has some great reviews, and this is a limited time deal, 40% off, bringing the price down to $17.99. Now we have the Nordic Ware 1.5 pound aluminum commercial loaf pan, perfect for your baking needs. Nordic Ware also has a great deal at Costco currently on their sheet pans. If you're interested, I'll leave a link at the end of this description. Go check out my last Costco video. This is 53% off, bringing the price down to $8.39. Oster has given us 28% off their stainless steel air fryer, perfect for those who are limited on counter space. This is a compact countertop air fryer, and it has some great reviews. This is a limited time deal, and it's priced at $79.16. If you're tired of your produce going bad very quickly, try out the Rubbermaid. This is their 8-piece produce saver. It has a vented top, which helps the airflow get in, keeps the produce fresher and longer. This is 42% off. They're bringing the price down to $23.05. Keeping your hands protected, we have the KitchenAid pot holder. We do get a 2-pack here, and this is the only color available at the 56% off. This is $8.79. These are 6.5 by 10 inches, but if you don't like this color, I have a different color next. If you weren't a fan of the pistachio colors, no worries. We have a little bit of a different variation here, but still, this is a beautiful deep navy, 51% off, and this is priced at $9.89. Another product from KitchenAid, we have the classic plastic cutting board here. It's 11 by 14, dishwasher safe, perfect for your cutting needs, 66% off, so that's a great deal. It also has that non-slip edges and a perimeter trench to catch all those juices. This is only $9.49. A quality product from Calphalon, we have their slow cooker with a digital timer, 5.3 quarts, and this is stainless steel. It has a great design to it, 53% off. This is also a limited time deal, priced at $79.30. When we are talking stoneware in the kitchen, there's only one brand that comes to mind, and that would be the Le Cosy. This is their pour-over coffee cone, 3¼ inch, and they're giving us a 30% discount today. This makes a fabulous cup of coffee, and you deserve the best. This is $21. This Powerhouse Professional 7-inch meat cleaver is designed to handle everything from chopping bones to chopping vegetables with ease. Perfect for any occasion. This is made by the brand Mueller, and they are giving us a 33% off discount, but also we have a $5 coupon. If you come down and click this box, that will bring the price down to $14.99. From the brand Pure, they're giving us a 44% discount off this 30-cup water filter dispenser. Great to handle a large quantity of waters. It's very fast and powerful, and it has an unbelievable price at only $17.79. Another product from Tefal, we have their signature non-stick cookware set. This is oven safe for only up to 350 degrees, but we do get a pretty big set here, and it's 20% off, bringing the price down to only $87.83. Farberware is giving us 30% off their professional 10-inch meat and potato masher. This is a multifunctional tool, great for a variety of tasks. 30% off, bringing the price down to $6.99. The reviews speak for themselves, and this is a #1 bestseller. Another kitchen gadget you must buy, we have a 2-pack of heavy-duty shears, perfect for cutting meat, fish, any types of food, even cut through bones with ease. This is 7% off, but if you look closely, they're giving us an additional 10% off coupon code right here. Just click that box, and that will get the price down to $5.84. This kitchen gadget will keep your countertops and your stove tops nice and clean. We have a splatter guard here, perfect for frying pans, but it is multi-use. And we are getting a $3 coupon here. Just click this coupon box, and that will get the price down to $9.99. Another product that is a must-buy in my opinion, this gadget keeps everything nice and tidy on your countertop, keeping your sponge, your soap, everything separated, and it does have that nice drip tray, keeping everything nice and clean. This is 34% off, bringing the price down to $7.93. Here we have an all-in-one breakfast station by the brand West Bend. The reviews are so-so, but they are giving us a great discount. It can handle a variety of different tasks, and the best part about it is it doesn't take up too much counter space, and this is only priced at $39.18. And for those of you who want to bump it up a notch and you're looking at these gadgets and you're thinking you need something a little more heavy duty, check out the commercial food mixer here. This is a 10-quart food mixer, 450 watts, and this is a serious device. Great reviews. This is by CuisineAid, and this is only $529. A very useful kitchen gadget, we have the triple pour measuring cup here. This is glass and it's made by the brand Anchor, a very nice high quality product, and it's only priced at $9.99. Here we have a beautiful 12-piece French Navy ceramic bakeware set. If you love ceramic, you might love this. Check out the reviews, pretty outstanding. And this is a great deal at 49% off they're giving us. This is dishwasher safe, microwave, and freezer safe. And it is a 12-piece at only $40.94. Now let's take a look at this mini non-stick waffle maker by the brand Tasty. They also have a great YouTube channel with unbelievable food content. Go check them out. But here today, they're giving us a discount off their waffle maker, 33% off. And this waffle maker makes great waffles in the morning, very quick before work, Sunday morning brunch, 600 watts, 33% off. And that will bring the price down to $9.99. Power XL is giving us 65% off their booster blender. This is 4-speed, and they're also including a 48-ounce glass jar, a great blender. Look at the price, only $20.84. And if you love popcorn, you have to check out this kitchen gadget. This makes the perfect microwave popcorn. It's a 3-in-1. It measures the kernels, melts the butter, and it's BPA free, dishwasher safe, 3 quarts. They're giving us a 25% off discount here, bringing the price down to $14.99. And don't forget, friends, Prime Day is just around the corner, October 8th and October 9th. Make sure you subscribe, turn on those notifications so you can see all my Prime Day deals. I'll see you tomorrow's video. We have Costco's clearance. Peace. We got another video down in the books. If you enjoyed today's episode and you do enjoy this type of content, thank you for your support. If you would like to help out my channel, I would very much appreciate if you can give me a like. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. I've added a few links at the end of this video. You can click on any one of these thumbnails. This is my suggestion or what to watch next, or you can click on my playlist. And remember guys, be kind to each other. I'll see you at the next video. Peace.